Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the business capital of Jamaica, which is New Kingston. Now New Kingston, you're going to see a lot of very nice buildings, a lot of high-rise buildings, a lot of the tallest buildings you're going to find in Jamaica. So on the right is what used to be the New Kingston Shopping Center, but it was renamed recently the New Kingston Business Center. Alright, so we're on Dominica Drive, driving through or taking a tour through New Kingston. Straight ahead, that tall building is the Towers. And on the right, that's the entrance to the New Kingston Business Center. On the right is the New Kingston Drive-In. And I was recently informed that one of the theaters still operates. They have reopened, but during the day they use it as a parking lot. So we're on Dominica Drive now. We're going on to Holborn Road. Now a lot of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. So we are on Dominica Drive and we're going to go on to Grenada Crescent soon, and then Barbados Avenue, then St. Lucia Avenue. And ironically, there is no Jamaica Avenue. It was named after all these Caribbean countries and they don't have a road named Jamaica Avenue. Alright, now you can see more construction going on the left. That's a commercial building being built, and on the right is another building. A subscriber had asked us to give an update, but I'm not sure which building it is, so we'll just show both. We're now on Dumfries Avenue, and straight ahead is the R. Danny Williams Center. It used to be the LOJ Center, but LOJ changed its name or was bought out, and it's now Sagicor. So that's the Sagicor building. Well, it's still called the R. Danny Williams building, but it's the head office for Sagicor. Now Sagicor has like different divisions. So Sagicor Bank has a different head office. This is probably the Sagicor Life Insurance building. So Sagicor Bank has a different head office. But this is actually one of the taller buildings in New Kingston. On the right, I'm sure if you can see it. Okay, there it is, that white building. That's the Pan-Caribbean building. And it's also one of the taller buildings. Okay, so this is Grenada Crescent. Alright, if we turn left, we'll take Knutsford Boulevard up to Trafalgar Road. If we turn right, we take Knutsford Boulevard back down to Trinidad Terrace. But we're going to go straight and stay on Grenada Crescent. Now New Kingston has a lot of one-ways. Alright, this building in front of us, a very nice building. It used to be the Island Life building. However, it recently changed names to the Courtly Center. Now Island Life had built a mall at the bottom. There was even a movie theater in the building when it first opened. And there's an auditorium where you can have plays. The first 2 floors was a mall, and then you had a commercial office space, and then at the top you had residential apartments or penthouses. But the building changed hands and it's now the Courtly Center. Alright, so we are on St. Lucia Avenue, and we're going to turn right and go on to Barbados Avenue. So remember we said earlier that most of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. Alright, so we're passing over Knutsford Boulevard now, and we're staying on Barbados Avenue. Straight ahead, that's that's the New Kingston Cinema. They had two, Cinema 1, Cinema 2, and I think it's Cinema 1 that still operates now, and the other one is just used as a parking lot. But it's prime real estate in New Kingston. Okay, on the left is the company office of Jamaica. Straight ahead now that building is the head office for the Sagicor Bank. And on the right, that's the New Kingston Business Center. It originally opened as the New Kingston Shopping Center. Alright, we're going to turn left here and go on to Trinidad Terrace, and then Trinidad Terrace will take us back to Knutsford Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.